every day surely ends with some experience. That's life. Happy afternoon to all. Once again, here Akitha from grade 7 at FIITJEE Global School. I am a Muslim and lighting a Hindu candle using Christian lamp. And same should be the unity in our country. Dr. Kalam. We are Indians. We are proud to announce that we are the brilliant example of unity and diversity in the universe. Our today's theme, how to make our neighborhood a better place for living with harmony and facilities for better future generation. Which is better place? It is an essential place which has fulfilled our basic needs with good quality like air, water, sanitation systems and also safe, decent and stable and affordable for our peaceful life journey. Which is harmony and facilities. Well-planned economic and social infrastructures, mass communication and globalization, and less manpower and more automation. And before finishing my topic, I would like to say a small quote from our great Lord Mahavir. Live and allow others to live. Don't hurt anyone. And life is dear for all living beings. Thank you.